So how do you mute the iPhone while recording a video? Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important. So whenever you are capturing a video on your iPhone, well, if it's a regular video, you don't really have the ability to just turn off the microphone right here. What you have the ability to do is once the video is ready and finished in the gallery, you can open it up like this, tap on edit, and then disable the sound of that video. So you essentially end up with a mute video version of whatever you captured. So that's good because it basically gets the same thing done. You only don't do it before you capture the video, but right after. But it's basically the same process. The other thing which you might be interested in is the screen recording, right? Because you have the ability to capture everything that's going on the screen of the iPhone. And there, before you do begin, you have the option to decide whether or not the microphone will be used for the recording. However, we do not have that, as I said, for the regular camera app, but at least we have it right here. So when it comes to regular videos, as I said, again, you can turn off the sound later in the Photos app. And for the screen recording, you can just do that even before you begin capturing. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for next tutorials like this, and I'll see you later.